Hey, thanks for clicking on this video. I'm LJ, and in this video, I'm gonna discuss de-escalation during law enforcement encounters. But first, if you like watching law enforcement related videos, click on that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. So traditionally, law enforcement officers have been trained to move quickly and take charge to resolve most situations. But a lot of people today, they would rather law enforcement officers have more of a guardian mindset rather than a warrior mindset. And a lot of people also call for the police to be defunded and demand that law enforcement officers have de-escalation training. Now, I personally believe that de-escalation training will help in reducing the number of controversial law enforcement encounters. But in addition to that, people's behavior needs to improve. Now, obviously no one's perfect, but some people need to do better. And they need to have any mental health issues that they're dealing with addressed. Because if people are not willing to change their ways for the good, defunding the police or de-escalation training isn't going to change anything. If people expect for law enforcement officers to go through de-escalation training and apply that training while on the job, then it's only right for law enforcement officers to expect people to conduct themselves appropriately when they're out in public, and especially during law enforcement encounters. Now, with that said, take a look at this video as it gives a good example of what I'm talking about.
When I came back this way, but I didn't know he was leaving the scene because he was right, where you can see where the debris is.
Okay, so you thought he was turning around and coming back this way?
Yeah.
So you think he was headed that way when you hit him?
Nobody wants to come outside. I've been sleeping. Look, I've been sleeping. People have been driving around, parking in front of my house, like driving. I can't even get no sleep because they come outside running around. I'm on Linwood. They coming around, driving around, circling around. I'm like, what the fuck is going on?
Okay.
And then nobody's outside. Everybody's scared to come outside.
Relax.
What the fuck, man?
I don't know what's going on.
No, man, fuck that. Fuck that.
What? You're getting.
No, fuck that.
This is
You
an
fucked
accident.
up my fucking car, man. The fuck?
Calm down a little bit.
No, I'm not
okay?
calming down.
Step back.
No, I'm not stepping back.
Step
I'm
back.
not stepping back.
Step back.
Stepping back. This is my fucking car.
It's an accident.
No, it's my fucking car. You act like you're not fucking, you don't care.
So,
I'm trying to gather information so I can take the report for you, sir. You need to calm down a little bit.
I don't know which. I was behind.
91, can you step it up a minute?
Which way he was going southbound? I don't know. He was going that way.
Where?
Were you going that direction?
Give me a fucking kick.
Got 41. Get on the ground! On the ground now! Flip over on your back. 10-3.
I ain't doing shit, bitch. Yup.
Flip over on your back now!
I want to do. Fuck.
Sir,
On your back
My
now!
fucked up.
On your back.
Kill me then.
No!
Kill me,
On your
bitch.
back.
Kill me, bitch.
No.
Kill me. Kill me. The fuck?
I need a 10-3.
Fucking car. I don't give
Now.
a fuck. Kill me.
On the ground!
Fucking kill me. The fuck?
Now!
Give me your fucking gun, bitch.
On the ground now!
Gun, give me a fucking
On
gun.
the ground
I'm
now!
not on shit.
On
Give me
the
fucking
ground now!
gun Or fucking kill me. Fuck all that.
On the
Give me the
ground!
fucking gun or kill me.
On the
Give
ground!
me the fucking gun or kill
On
me.
the ground now!
Gun, no.
Now!
Kill me. I'm ready to go.
I don't want to kill
me.
you!
Kill
Get
me.
on the ground! Get on the ground! No! Get on the ground! Now!
Kill me.
Get on the
Kill
ground!
me.
No!
Kill me then.
No!
Kill me.
Get on the ground!
Fuck all this
Get
shit.
on the ground!
Blow my fucking hand off.
Now!
Get on the ground. No,
Get on the ground!
No, hell no. Turn over. Turn over. Turn over. Turn over. Come on, man. Turn over. Hands on your back. Put your hands on your back.
All right, I'll get the cuffs.
Get your other one up back here. Yeah. Why did I just fucking kill with me?
No, she was a witness. You tried to steal her purse.
Are you serious?
No, he was arguing with me here, trying to steal her purse and take off that way, and he fell, and that's when I pulled a gun on him.
yeah, he's.
Go ahead, Sloan.
I call the accident.
I don't even know if this is a 45 because of the way he was acting.
Was he in the car?
Yes.
Yeah, he had an accident. Another car. I don't know what happened to it.
He didn't want me to shoot him.
and I don't know what happened. And I came to tell them that I did.
Let me get the fuck out of here.
No.
Yep, Let me the fuck out of here.
No.
Blow my fucking head off there,
You want me to
motherfucker.
hit you again with the gun?
Blow me the fucking head
Want
off.
me to hit you again with it? You want another shot?
95, we're gonna need a sergeant for use taser.
Copy, Taser around.
Do you mind staying here as being a witness, please?
Okay. Can I come?
Did you get your purse back?
Yeah.
All right.
It was fine.
Bring your legs into your chest.
Man, bro, I ain't getting the fuck up, bro. Get the fuck off me, bitch. Get the what? Yep, hit me in there. Yep, do it. Hit me in my fucking face here. The fuck? I don't give a fuck.